Hey everyone, Gil at Graymanprepping. All right, I'm going to add an extra one on here for the winter gear clothing stuff. Face protection for the winter. Now, the first thing people think about when you say face protection for the winter, they think about, oh, a scarf or a muffler or one of those turtleneck sweaters that has the long things you can pull up over your face to help protect your face from the winter. Well, there's also other ones too. Back when I was working construction, my wife found this for me. This is a little hat. Yes, I know it kind of looks like the Star Wars 2, The Empire Strikes Back hat. But what's neat about it is it wraps around and can protect your face. So let's see here. No, I'm not going to put it on. I just want to show it to you here. So basically, it's got Velcro on here, and you just bring it up, and it's adjustable. So you can adjust how tight you want it up over your face. You can bring it up tighter or looser. So there are different types of things like this. There's some of these that just have the big, old, huge earmuffs. Some have the fold down, wrap around the back of the head, and just leaves the front open. There are ski masks you can get. There are it's got a weird French name for it. That is not a over-the-top mask, but go on the front type mask here. It goes on. It's felt and protects your face as well. So check out everything that's out there for face protection from the winter and from the frost and everything else, and see if there's something that you like that you can use. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and add a new skill this winter. Also, see if you can grow something indoors, even if it's in the 5-gallon bucket or something like that. Try to grow some lettuce, some tomatoes, something indoors, all right? Because you really need to get prepared this winter.